In the 1970s, James Dyson embarked on a mission to revolutionize the vacuum cleaner industry. Frustrated with his existing vacuum's diminishing suction power, Dyson became inspired by the industrial cyclone tower's efficient method of dust collection. After 5 years and 5,127 prototypes, he finally perfected a bagless vacuum cleaner that maintained consistent suction. This groundbreaking invention met resistance from major vacuum manufacturers, compelling Dyson to market the product himself. In 1993, he launched his brand in the UK, and the Dyson Dual Cyclone quickly became a top seller, altering the course of home appliances forever. Dyson's journey teaches aspiring entrepreneurs the value of resilience, relentless innovation, and believing in one's vision through adversity.